Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing letter on pixllabe easily. Open the pixllabe, select a letter, select the 3D text, change the color of letter, change the background color, select the 3D shadow, adjust the color, reflector number, select the texture, go to the gallery, select a color, adjust the color, duplicate the letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.